Welcome to Success Prints Crash Course YouTube channel. In this week we're going to talk about group assignments. So we've moved into week 2, and first up we have a regular event. So I've drawn an event from the event deck, and look, it's a group assignment. The description is, design a presentation for a real local business's next premier product, complete with an elevator pitch, slide deck, and a 10-minute investor pitch. For every 8 time wagered, everyone will receive 1 GPA and 1 social. If you don't wager at all, you're going to earn 1 stress. So just like in real life, the game allows the teams to talk about how much time they want to put in on this group assignment. There's plenty of time to discuss. If we all put in 2 times 4 players, well, that will equal 8 time wagered, and therefore everyone will get 1 GPA and 1 social. The trick, though, just like in real life, is that during the wager, people may hide their time, put it in their hand, and then it's the big reveal. What if someone puts in 3, another person puts in 0, the green player puts in 2, and the blue player puts in 2? Well, if that took place, we would come up 1 block short. We need 8, but there's only 7 blocks that have been wagered. In a group assignment, when you don't meet the minimum, no one gets the GPA, no one gets the social. That's a bummer. And this red team, with the no wager, they're going to earn some stress. So the challenge is to determine, when you wager, will you have enough? And that's the challenge with group assignments. Will everyone do their amount of work as well? And so I always invite players, have a conversation, decide how much time you want to put in, and then hope that everyone really does pull their weight.